My name's Alvin Sprigg. I work for Cast Tech Group. We're down here in Borden today, prepping up a silo pad for a farmer down here. This silo pad's 50 metres long and 5 metres wide. Today we're using a grader attachment from Himac. This application, it doesn't have the laser attachments on it, so we're using it manually. Maybe took 10-15 minutes to get the hang of the controls, but even on the manual without the laser, I found it quite simple and quite easy to get a flat result over quite a long distance just by eye. Obviously it's a bit slower than the laser, given that you've got to check it to see how accurate you're going, but certainly over a long distance I found that we were able to, by eye, get it very close and quite quickly as well. Certainly found anyone that we've dealt with at Himac very responsive and quick to provide answers and guidance.